For us, the kitchen is the home of our house. And I don't know, it's such a joy to work in here. There's so much space and the kids are right beside me working, and it's such a pleasure. And especially like with the built-in bench, the kids are always in the kitchen now, and it's just, yeah, you connect with them more than what you would normally in another house where they're off doing who knows what. So yeah, it's really special. We decided that we would live in Oma and Opa's house. They had a beautiful kitchen, but it just didn't work for us. So we went to Carver and told James our problems. We've already worked with them before in our other house. However, it doesn't matter because you just walk in there and there's always someone like, hey, how's it going? Can I help you with anything? Everything's right there to look at. It's super easy. And they always have updated models of what they could do. I just kind of told James kind of what I was thinking, and then he just helped me finish what my thought was. He just kind of walked through it, and we said, like, you know, we're kind of thinking we'll take out a wall there. We think that we want the kitchen to end up kind of around here. And he says, okay, well, let's just do this there, and how about we try this? We weren't sure about the island because we were worried that it'd be just way too big. So he actually made two different plans for us. One with two islands and split in the middle, and then one with a big island. And we kind of went through it again together, and yeah, the big island just works better for us. They're just very like, you know, from our experience, we've done it this way. I think you'll like it better like that, or this will work better for when you're actually using the kitchen. And yeah, we just kind of went with with James's suggestion, and yeah, it works really good. He can understand what people are saying and then see what their picture is in their head, and then he quickly grasps that. And then he adds like little things that you don't always think about. And then yeah, he just comes up with this plan, and you're just like, hey, that's what I was thinking. It's kind of crazy, but yeah, that's what we want. Please make that. And then, ta-da, it's here. The installers, when they're here, they're just so great to work with too. And they're very picky. Like the end result is like as perfect as you can get it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have a favorite part because I love it all. I really do. I think they did an awesome job.